Okay, so let's start dirita sa ato ang assessment and evaluation in mathematics. So as you can see mo ni siya ang ato ang sa model nato, okay? Nanay mga details dire, formations, and kung mapansin nato dire, ang coverage nato for prelim is from lecture 1 up to lecture 5 muna. Okay? So mo nang kung mapansin nimo ang i-discuss lang nato for prelim mubo ra siya. Natay mga PDF and naka Microsoft Word na. So, make sure i-download ninyo ni. Kaya once nga mahuman na ta, kaya i-open na ko ang mga assignment, quiz, and sa exam. Sa lecture 5 lang siya. Okay? So, ang mga i-discuss nato dire is evaluation and assessment concepts and principles, distinction between assessment and evaluation, characteristics of 21st century assessment, purposes and principles of assessment, and content principle of assessment. Okay? So karon naa ko'y ipakita sa inyo dire katong first nga i-download nato kani nga PDF ang assessment and evaluation. Okay? So we have here the role of assessment in learning. The assessment plays a major role in how students learn, their motivation to learn, and how teachers teach. And assessment is used for various purposes. Okay, so naatay mga bantayanan, naatay assessment for learning, assessment as learning, and assessment of learning. Assessment for learning, where assessment helps teachers gain insights into what students understand in order to plan and guide instruction and provide helpful feedbacks to the students. Okay, para naman sa assessment as learning, where students develop an awareness of how they learn and use that awareness to adjust and advance their learning, taking an increased responsibility for their learning. Okay? And for assessment of learning, where assessment informs students, teachers, and parents, as well as the broader educational community of achievement at certain point in time in order to celebrate success, plan intervention, and support continued progress. Okay, so kung mapansin mo lahi-lahi ang mga definition nato sa assessment ha. So make sure nga babantayan ninyo ang kalainan kay natin mga identification sa mga assignment and quiz. And of course, ang assessment must be planned with its purpose in mind. Assessment for as and of learning all have a role to play in supporting and improving student learning and must be appropriately balanced. And the most important part of assessment is the interpretation and use of the information that is gleaned for its intended purpose. Okay? So, karon sa assessment is embedded for learning process. It is tightly interconnected with curriculum and instruction. So daghan kitag mga matun-an diri, especially sa assessment, okay? And for evaluation, more on definitions lang ni siya, okay? As teachers and students work towards the achievement of curriculum outcomes, assessment plays a constant role in informing instructions, guiding guiding the students' next steps, and checking progress and achievement. No? So, daghan kayo example sa students, 'di ba before ka mag-start sa imong klase kay mag pre-test ka muna, okay? Diagnostic test. Okay, para ma-assess nimo unsa ang mga weakness or ready ba sila ani nga subject, 'di ba? The same anang 'di ba kumukuha kag calculus 2, mag-pre-test sa ka og calculus 1 kung na ba kay na-learn sa mga previous subject nimo in ana, okay? And apod tay exam, di ba? During the discussion, na pa-exam. Okay? And of course, at the end of the semester, napod na siya exam pod. Kasi mga natun-an sa kani nga subject. Okay? So, ina na siya, checking progress and of course, achievement. Teachers use many different processes and strategies for the classroom assignment and adapt them to suit the assessment purpose and needs of individual students. So this research and experience show that students' learning is best supported when instruction and assessment are based on clear goals. Kaya syempre kung mag-klase or mag-discuss ka, make sure clear yung goals or yung objectives. Instruction and assessment are differentiated according to the student's learning needs. Students are involved in the learning process. They understand the learning goal of the criteria for quality work, receive and descriptive feedback, and take steps to adjust their performance. Okay? So actually sa kaning subject daghan kitag buhatonon, okay? Especially naman mo sa or education, sa na nimo tabangan, sa nimo pag-help ang students which is mathematics. Okay? So dira na dayon ang assessment and evaluation. Daghan kay tag mga i-discuss ani along the way, especially kung sa akong pagbuhat sa TOS, okay, table of specification, item analysis, okay? And sa pagbuhat sa exam, no, for the assessment sa students, evaluate nato. So daghan kitag buhatonon ani which is involved lang sa mathematics. Assessment information is used to make decision and support further learning. Parents are well informed about their child's learning and work with the school to help plan and provide support. Students, families, and the general public have confidence in the system. So, department believes that the primary role of the assessment is to enhance teaching and improve student learning and supports through the provincial assessment initiative and provincial assessment program. Okay? So, diri sa taman, kay next topic na atay libro nga i-follow para sa kani nga subject. Okay? So, kanila nga gidiscuss lang nato is just for the roles of assessment in learning. Okay? So, that's it for today.